Is the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa about to be replaced? Are his days as Chief Minister numbered? Rumblings have been growing in the state for long now, and in a show of strength, the Karnataka Chief Minister today flaunted a number of Lingayat seers in the state from various mutts as a show of force at his residence. The rallying of support comes amidst huge speculation of Yediyurappa's possible replacement after completing 2 years in power. Here's everything we know. This report by Nolan and Nagarjun in Bengaluru. His future as Chief Minister of Karnataka may be uncertain, but B.S. Yediyurappa only seems to be getting politically stronger and flaunting his muscle. In a mega show of strength on Wednesday, Lingayat seers from different mutts reached the Chief Minister's residence and extended their full support. This comes as the Lingayats are rallying behind the Chief Minister, not just the seers, but even Congress leaders from the community. Lingayat seers have openly backed Yediyurappa and accused the centre of interfering in the state government's work.
ಆದರೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂತಹದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಲಿ, ಪೂರ್ಣಾವಧಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಕಾಲ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಮಳೆಗಾಲದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿದೆ.
Seers and leaders of the dominant community have cautioned the BJP against any move to dislodge the 78-year-old Lingayat strongman in what is expected to be a exit from the government.
ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಠಾಧಿಪತಿಗಳ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರು ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅವರ ಸಹವರ್ತಿಗಳ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
And there was support from some unlikely quarters. Senior Congress leader M.B. Patil took to social media to warn the BJP that they may face the wrath of Lingayats if they ill-treat Yediyurappa.
I am only pained, the community is pained, I am pained, people are pained by the way he is being treated in the last this one. He should be given due respect, treated according to his age, according to his contribution to their party, to this one. The community will not tolerate this.
ಮಹಾಸಭೆ ಅವರಿಲ್ಲದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಂದಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ವೀರ್ ಸೇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರು ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳು.
ಮುಂದಿನ ನಾಯಕ ಸಮುದಾಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಯಾರು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ.
Strong voices of support have come after Yediyurappa's younger son and state BJP Vice President B.Y. Vijayendra held a series of meetings with prominent Veerashaiva Lingayat seers. On Tuesday, a prominent seer from the community released a press note saying that if the BJP ignores a leader like Yediyurappa, it will face losses in the future. The Congress is hoping to bank on Lingayat anger against the BJP if Yediyurappa is ousted. The party is using its senior Lingayat leaders to reach out to BJP leaders who may be interested in switching sides.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಶಾಸಕರು ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಸೋತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಸಮುದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ನಾಯಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ಇರುವಂಥವಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
The Lingayats are a politically strong unit as they comprise about 16% of the state's population, with significant presence in about 140 of the 224 assembly constituencies and having a decisive vote in about 90 seats. If Yediyurappa goes, if there is a exit, the BJP could very well be on very weak footing. With Nolan Pinto and Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today. And politics over a rumored exit is really heating up. Literally, the Veerashaiva Lingayat organization, one of the prominent Lingayat organizations in the state, has staged a protest against the BJP. As you can see in these pictures, they've been burning tires and staging this demonstration as a message to the BJP High Command after reports of Yediyurappa possibly being replaced in a few days from now when he completes 2 years in office. The Lingayat seers have been throwing their strength behind Yediyurappa. What it will actually result in remains to be seen. It's a dynamic political development and we'll keep you posted on the latest. Keep watching India Today. Coming up next, 6 p.m. Prime with Ankit Tyagi. The BJP